Hello and welcome to Teratom's Nexus of Information. This is part 3 of our exploration of the Super Join Builder in the Nexus. If you have not seen part 1 or 2, please click on the video link on your screen now. In our last video, we explored how simple it was to add a join condition between two tables in the Super Join Builder. With a few clicks of a button, we were able to join our newly created depth rating table with our pre-existing department table. And in even fewer clicks, we were able to delete this join condition. Wow, look at us go. Now that we understand how to set up the Super Join Builder, let's take a look at the tabs at the very top. These tabs work as a team on a single query. Each tab is designed for a specific purpose. With these tabs, you can create more specific joins. So let's just hop into the Nexus and start exploring these tabs one at a time. Like before, I set up my database to Teradata and my system to SQL_class. Then I open SQL_class, click the plus sign to pull down the table tree, and then I right-click on the student table. We see the Super Join Builder. So we click on it, and now we've opened up the Super Join Builder for this table. The Objects tab is the first screen you will always see when you right-click on a table and choose Super Join Builder. In this case, that table is student_table. You can click on the Add Join button to select the table that joins with the student table, or you can click on the Cube drop-down menu. If you click Create Cube, it will automatically bring up all the tables that are joinable together. In this case, we can join the student table to the student course table, which then joins to the course table. Now, if we were to click on the Create Cubes with Columns button, the same thing appears, but with every column pre-selected. Let's deselect all of these and just pick a few columns. Ah, now that's looking sharp. Now let's click on the Column tab. The Column tab allows you to rearrange the column order on your report. You do this by dragging and dropping the columns as you see fit. The top columns are for the columns you've selected in your Objects tab. The bottom columns here are the columns you didn't select. Want to add a few more columns to your SQL? Well, just grab the columns at the bottom and drag and drop them at the top. You don't like a column? Well, just left click on it and drag it to the trash. You can also hold down the Shift key, click on a few columns, and then drag and drop them in the trash in order to get rid of multiple columns at the same time. Whatever you do here, the SQL is automatically adjusted to reflect the order of the columns you want on the report. Let's go to the Sort tab. The Sort tab is for the Order by clause. Double-click or drag and drop any column below and it will be used to sort the report. Once you've chosen the order by column or columns, you can rearrange the sort order by clicking on the arrow next to the column and dragging and dropping it in a new place. You can also choose either ascending or descending mode for each column. If you want to take away any of the sorts, just click and drag to the trash can above. Now to the Join tab. The Join tab allows you to change from an inner join to an outer join. For now, let's just keep it simple and keep these as inner joins. The Join tab also gives you a visual here of the joining tables and the columns in the On clause. Now let's move to the Where tab. The Where tab shows you the indexes of the base table, even if the objects are views. Knowing the indexes help users build queries that can perform at top speeds. Double-click on a column and it will appear in the Where clause below. Then you can customize your where clause however you like. You know what? Let's look up class code since it's a secondary index, and let's only find seniors, SR. Now the SQL tab. The SQL tab will show you the SQL the Nexus has automatically generated for you. As you can see, all of our choices from the beginning of this join is reflected here. That's just convenient. Onto the Metadata tab. This tab will show you the size of your table, including row count. This is extremely helpful when you are performing cross-system joins. Nexus is always thinking about performance tuning. The Metadata tab will show you the optimizer's plan, which is often called the explain plan. If you want to see the explain plan, just click on the magnifying glass located here at the top. That's a good explain plan if you ask me. The final tab is the Analytics tab. This tab allows you to quickly build SQL needed for ordered analytics, rank, and grouping sets. In our next video, we will be exploring the Analytics tab in full detail. So it looks like we're finished here, so let's hit execute, and there you have it, a perfect join. Customized and beautiful. We've explored the tabs of the Super Join Builder. In our next video, we're going to take a closer look at the Analytics tab.